the Father is through Jesus. Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man comes to the Father except through me. The only thing that motivates me is His face. Miracles will not motivate you. Crowds will not motivate you. Money cannot motivate you. His face, His smile, His ways. That's why we do what we do. It's for Jesus and for Him alone. The way to the Father is through Jesus. Because of the blood of Jesus and His sacrifice, tonight you can have clean hands. And He said, blessed are those with a pure heart, for they shall see God. Jesus said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man comes to the Father except through me. You can ascend 1,000 mountains. You will never find God if you don't seek Him through Jesus. You can worship 1,000,000 idols. You will never find God because you can only find God through Jesus. He is the way to the Father. Be the young man, the young woman in Nigeria, in Owerri, who's gonna seek His face. He who has clean hands and a pure heart, who has not sworn or lied deceitfully, who has not worshipped or lifted up his souls to idols. He's the one who's gonna receive blessing from the Lord. He's the one who's gonna be exposed to His glory, who's gonna behold His face, who's gonna be transformed into His image. He's gonna represent Him here on earth. From Owerri, Nigeria, the youth of Nigeria belong to Jesus.